Hello everyone, my name is Aljan Calobong. Let's talk about the type of CPU scheduling shortest remaining time first algorithm, or the SRTF. SRTF algorithm is a preemptive type of CPU scheduling. In this algorithm, the current process is preempted if a process with shorter CPU burst time than the remaining CPU burst time of the running process arrives. The preemptive process will enter the rear of the queue. Okay, let's give an example. Process A, B to E. Their arrival time 0, 3, 6, 10, and 13. And their CPU burst let's say 3, 6, 4, 5, and 2. Okay, let's draw a line graph. Say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Process A arrives in 0. Process B is 3. Process C is 6. Process D is 10. Process E is 13. Okay. The CPU burst of process A is 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Process A complete in time 3. Next is process B. With the CPU burst of 6. Okay. B, 1, 2, 3. Process C arrives in 6. So let's compare the CPU burst remaining time. The remaining time of CPU burst of B is 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. So the smaller is the CPU B. So let's continue the process. 4, 5, 6. This is the process B. Process B completes in time 9. Next is the process C. The CPU burst of 4. So 4, 1. The remaining time of process C is 3. And the CPU burst of process D is 5. So the shorter is process C. So let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Process C completes in time 13. Next is process D. In time 13, the process E arrives. So let's compare the CPU burst time. The CPU burst of process D is 5 and the CPU burst of process E is 2. So the smaller or the shorter is the process E. So process D will be preempted. And process E will start with CPU burst of 2. So 1, 2. Process E complete in time 15. The remaining process is the process D with a CPU burst of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Process D complete in time 20. Okay, let's talk about their waiting time. Process A arrival time is 0 and process A arrives in is also 0 and so 0 milliseconds. Process B arrival time is 3 and it arrives in time 3 also, so 0 and milliseconds also. Next is process C arrival time is 6 and it arrives in time 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3 milliseconds. Next is process D. Process D arrival time is 10 and it arrives in time 15. 15 minus 10 is 5, so it is 5 ms, 5 milliseconds. Next is process E. Process E arrival time is 13 and it arrives in time 13 also, so 0 milliseconds. Next is their turnaround time. Process A starts with time 0 and natapos ito ng time 3. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 3 milliseconds. Next is process B. Process B starts in time 3 and natapos ito ng time 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 milliseconds. Process C starts in nag-start ng 6 and natapos ng time 13. 13 minus 6 is 7 milliseconds. Next is process D. Arrival time is 10 and natapos ng 20. So 20 minus 10 is 10 milliseconds. Next is process E. arrival time of 13, natapos ng 15. So 15 minus 13 is 2 milliseconds. Okay, let's compute the average waiting time. Zero plus 0 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. Then divide 5 is equal to 1.6 milliseconds. Next is the turnaround time. Three plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 2 is equals 28. Divide 5 is equal to 5.6 milliseconds. And that is the end of our lesson, SRTF CPU scheduling. Thank you.